Design plumbing videos on mobile browser. So you can adjust, means if the design reduce the brightness so that this tab will be visible. Okay, even you can edit the text also. So this is the phone number I have added. Okay, and Instagram reels, then YouTube shorts, YouTube long form videos. You can easily create, lots of templates are there completely on mobile browser. Okay, no app, no PC and no laptop needed. Simply you visit this page using the link in the description, then you tap on the design you like, you will be landed on the edit page. Okay, and this is long form videos for YouTube. Okay, edit and download and use. So here also the image, you do one thing, you tap on this design, you bring it, you just move it to the corner so that this face over here will be visible. Okay, this face. Now if you want to change the image, how you can do that? Okay, let me show you. So you come to this search. Okay, so again you search with plumbing, you will get lots of images you to use. Okay, you can see lots of, you can tap on the load more. Okay, so you can use them. Now once it is ready, okay, make sure you download it. Okay, so this one also I want to show you. This is actually TikTok videos. Okay, and YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, same only. Okay, you can use it. This is for WhatsApp stories. Okay, so make sure you download it. Once it is ready, you have all this option: download, save progress, reset, redo, undo, delete, copy, blur, font. Okay, and also over here edit text, font, you can change size, color, alignments, bold, italics, caps lock. Then templates, texts, background, logo, shape, images, QR code, animation over here. Okay, so this is a complete design suite. Actually you can design anything you want. Okay, let me show you. You can design under more